to get out of that miserable place. It felt like a prison at one point. Yeah, I know they were looking after me, but I miss home. The comfort, the coziness, and the warmth of our home. And you. I know you were there the whole time, but there were a few times where I had to wake up to you not being by my side, and that made me uneasy. Oh yeah, you're gonna make up for it. How exactly? Pancakes. Okay, and cuddles. Amazing. And kisses. Fantastic. Next. A warm bath, huh? I see where you're going. No, I really do need all of that, though. I need to feel more normal. Everyone misses me. Oh, that's so sweet. I still have those fan letters that you brought that got delivered to our home. I really don't deserve the love that everyone showers me with, though. Ah, finally, we're home. No, it's fine, babe. I can walk. No, seriously, I don't need that wheelchair. My legs are perfectly... Whoa, okay. Okay, I need the wheelchair. Great. I can't even walk by myself anymore. This is just great. Yeah, but I don't want to be dependent on you or anyone. No, I trust you, but... How do you always know what to say? Okay. We're not going upstairs, but our room is up there. You shifted all our stuff to the guest room down here? That must have taken a lot of work. Thank you, baby. Whoa, this looks just like our room. But wait, where's my gaming simulator? What? Come on, my wrist is fine. Can you please bring it down here? Babe, please. I need to touch a steering wheel. My hands will literally wither away if I don't. I'll be like a lost soul, something wandering aimlessly without a comforting grip of a steering wheel. But I'm not being overdramatic. You're being unreasonable. I can play with one hand. Okay, no, I can't, but... Fine. I've troubled you enough. Maybe I can wait for a month. Can I at least get a kiss for being obedient or something? Thank you, baby. Yeah, I really do need to get the hospital smell off me. Could you draw me a bath? In the meantime, I'll get out of my clothes. Alright. First, let's open up this shirt. There we go. One button at a time. That hurts. Okay, maybe a tad bit slower. Okay, that works. Okay, time for pants. How do I get up? Maybe if I just push myself up. My wrist. Fuck. What have I done to myself? I can't even take my fucking pants off. Yeah, I tried to get out of my pants, but I failed. Could you help? Wait, let me put my arms around your shoulder. Okay, that's it. I can push down now. Alright, it's off. Babe, I need to sit. Sorry. I just couldn't hold my weight any longer. And I didn't want to put it all on you. I can. Are you sure? Okay. Here. My arm is around your shoulder. Yep, I can hop on one leg. The sprained one is pretty much healed, so... Wow. I thought this would be frustrating, but it's kind of funny. Alright, I can get into the tub by myself. Yeah, it's fine, it's fine. Wow, this feels amazing. I feel like I'm in heaven. I really do, babe. Don't laugh. I love it when you run your hands through my hair while lavering it with shampoo. Yeah, really. Can you massage my head for a little while? Thanks, babe. God, it feels like ecstasy. Keep it going, babe. Your hands are so soft. I miss these fingers so much. I really did. I miss everything about you. Yeah, you are. But I was heavily medicated, barely able to stay awake, which made it difficult to spend quality time with you. Wait, babe. I need to adjust my leg. One sec. Okay, that's better. Do I have physiotherapy today? It starts tomorrow. Alright. So, we can spend the whole day in our bed then. Yeah, lots of cuddles. You're amazing. You know that? No, really, you are. You don't give yourself enough credit. You've been my rock, handling everything with such grace. From soothing my worried parents to maintaining our home and caring for me in the hospital. You managed it all so flawlessly. I'll be forever grateful to you, my love. Despite not liking my work, you support me more than anyone else. I truly don't deserve you. I love you too, baby. Okay, I think I'm all cleaned up. Could you help me get out of the tub? Yeah, that's fine. No, I don't feel pain. Okay, where do I sit? Alright, yeah, I see it. I think I need to shave my beard. I don't want it to grow longer if I can't take care of it for a whole month. Would you mind bringing me my shaving cream, razor, and aftershave? Thank you, baby. Oh, you want to do it for me? Yeah, of course you can. I'd love that. Okay. So, we start with washing my beard with some warm water. Yeah, just like that. Now, take some shaving cream in your hands and apply it to my beard. Yep. That's right. But what if I want to take some of it and put it right here on your cute little nose? Oh, babe, you look so cute. Let you concentrate. You're shaving my beard, not writing a test. Okay. I'll let you do it right. Here, take the razor and shave it with it in the direction of the hair growth. Gentle strokes, baby. Or you might cut my skin. That's right. Yeah, that's it. You're doing great, my love. Now, we get some cold water to clean it up. It's not that cold, don't worry. Yes, baby, you can pat it dry and put the aftershave now. You love the smell of it, don't you? All done, babe. How do I look? How hot? Oh, someone's feeling a little spicy, huh? I'm cold, babe. Can you help me get dressed? Oh, just that oversized gray t-shirt. And the track pants as well. No. The other one. Yeah, that one. Do you ever think I'll be able to drive again? No, I know my legs will recover in a couple of months, but it's not that. It's the fear of getting back into the driver's seat. I'm afraid that when all this is over and I'm fully recovered, I might not be as good as I used to be. Really? You think so? How come you've always believed in me when no one else did? Not even myself. I love you so much. You haven't slept in the past few days, have you? Come on, babe. I can see those dark circles under your eyes very clearly. And let's face it, you're a terrible liar. No, it's not fine. You know what? Forget the pancakes. I'm not even that hungry. Let's just get to bed and take a nap. It's been so long since I've slept with you in my arms. Yes, I'm sure. You need the rest, and I'm craving to hold you. Come on, help me to bed. Come here, baby. Lay on my chest. That's it. Just relax. I'm fine now. Everything is okay. You're not hurting me anywhere, darling. Just lay down. Everything's okay. I know you were scared, baby. But everything's fine. I'm okay, I promise. It won't happen again. No, don't cry, my love. It breaks my heart when you do. Hey, look at me. You're the most important person in my life, and no one can separate us. Not even death. I promise not to scare you like that ever again, okay? Shh. Close your eyes, baby. Let's knuckle up and get some rest, okay? That's it.